Hello students, welcome to my educational channel GravityTech. This series will help you out with the examples of MH-CET, which is Maharashtra State Common Entrance Test for engineering courses. This video is a continuation of the last video on the integration example. So this is the third video on the integration, and then overall this is around like seventh or eighth video in the MH-CET series. Okay, if if you have any example which you would want me to cover, send the details over email, which you will find in the description of this video. I will cover that example in my next videos. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर करके और स्टूडेंट्स तक ये वीडियो पहुंचाए ताकि ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स को इसका फायदा हो. Now let's see what exactly are we having as a part of integration third video. Okay, now the objective of session is basically to have more examples on integration which are going to benefit you in MHCET exam. Now let's see what are the what are those examples, right? So the first example is like this: integration of 4 e raised to x minus 25 upon 2 e raised to x minus 5 dx is equal to ax plus b log of 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus c. Then what is the value of a and b? Now let's see how to solve it. Yeah, so what exactly the question we have? Let me just maybe select a pen now. Yeah, so here what you have, they have given is this 4 e raised to x minus 25 upon 2 e raised to x minus 5 dx. Correct. Now what basically we should try to adjust? We should try to adjust this 2 e raised to x minus 5 in the numerator, right? This can be simply done like 6 e raised to x, right? This would be like, let me write 6 e raised to x, right, minus 10 e raised to x minus 25 upon 2 e raised to x minus 5. Now this will give you minus 4, but this should be plus and this should be plus and this should be minus then, right? That way this will be 4 e raised to x. Now why I did that? If you now look at, right, this minus 6 e raised to ex, right, will be as it is, but from this you can basically take out 5 common and then 2 e raised to x minus 5 and then dx. Correct. So this will be 2 e raised to x minus 5 then dx. Now when you solve this, right, when you separate out, this would be 5 dx, this is the one, minus 6 e raised to x upon twice e raised to x plus 5 dx. Correct. Now this is the easiest one, right? This is going to be what? 5x minus 6. Now what about this? Let's maybe try to find out the integration of this. So you can basically try to adjust the derivative of this up. Now what will be the derivative of this? Derivative of this will be what? 2 e raised to x. So you can just say 2 divided and multiplied by 2. So when we know that when there is a derivative and a function, right, then the answer is what? Log of f of x. Correct. So this way 2 3s are 6. So this will be what? 3 and then log of 2 e raised to x minus, oh, this is minus 5. Okay, this is going to be minus 5. So 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus c. Now they are saying the answer is what? Ax plus b log 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus c. Now compare it. A is 5 and b is minus 3. So a is 5 and b is what? Minus 6. This is the correct answer. Now let's see on a slide, right, how it is. Let me just discard this one. Yeah, sure. See. So this is given we have adjusted this 4 e raised to x minus 25 as what? 10 e raised to x minus 6 e raised to x minus 25. Then this 6 e raised to x will be on this side. 10 e raised to x minus 25 में से 5 हम लोगों ने कॉमन निकाला, right? And then this will be cancelled out, right? Then 5x dx, then this is going to be what? 3. Why? Because we have adjusted the derivative of this to here, or maybe, yeah, so you can just say 3 into 2 or 6. When you, this is the answer you are going to get, 5x and the log of 2 e raised to x minus 5, right? And then when you compare, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to what? Minus 3. That's the correct answer. Now let's look at the next example. Okay, now next example is this. So next example, they are saying dx upon sine of x minus a, sine of x minus b. What is going to be this integration? This is again easy thing. See, आपको इंटीग्रेशन किस तरीके से सॉल्व करना है वो पता होना चाहिए, राइट? सी, so here when we look at what exactly they have, I is equal to dx upon sine of x minus a, sine of x minus b. Correct. Now let's do one thing. Sine of b minus a से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करते हैं. साइन ऑफ b माइनस ए जो कांस्टेंट है उससे मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करते हैं. करेक्ट. when you multiply and divide by that, this sin of b minus a will be as it is. क्योंकि आंसर में आप अगर देखोगे ये इस तरीके से है 1 अपॉन साइन ऑफ b माइनस ए, राइट? नाउ इस साइन ऑफ b माइनस ए को हम कुछ इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. करेक्ट. व्हाट इट वुड बी? x माइनस ए माइनस x माइनस बी. सी, एक्स एक्स कैंसिल हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस बी, नहीं माइनस सी, अपॉन दिस साइन ऑफ x माइनस ए एंड साइन ऑफ x माइनस बी. नाउ साइन ऑफ a माइनस बी का फॉर्मूला हमें पता है, सो ये तो एज इट इज रहेगा b माइनस a एंड देन दिस विल बी साइन ए cos b, cos a sin b, राइट? नाउ साइन कैंसिल हो जाएगा यहाँ से. So if you look at here, right, how it will be, let me just scroll that down, up, yeah. So this is going to be how this will be sine of x minus a cos of x minus b minus sine of x minus b and cos of x minus a, correct, upon that whole thing as it is, sine of x minus a and sine of x minus b, right? Now when you actually separate out, right, this will be cancelled. So here it will be what? Cos of x minus b upon sine of x minus b. Cos of x minus b upon sine of x minus b minus sine x minus b part cancel. So this will be what? Cos of x minus a upon sine of x minus a dx, right? So this is going to be what? 1 upon sine of b minus a, and then cos upon sine is what? Cot of x minus b dx minus cot of x minus a dx, right? Understood? Okay, great. Now the integration of cot we know, that is what? Log of sine. So this is going to be what? 1 upon sine b minus a, this will be log of x minus b minus log of x minus a. Now 1 upon sine of b minus a is what? Log of x minus b upon log of sine. Sorry, this is going to be sine, log of sine. Okay, this is log of sine. So this will be what? Sine of x minus b upon sine of x minus a and plus c. This is going to be the answer. Now let's see how it is, right? See, the integration is simple. Integration is simple. आपको just मतलब प्रैक्टिस इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस किया है तो ये वाला आपको देखते ही समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या आंसर आना चाहिए, राइट? सी, साइन बी माइनस से हम लोगों ने एडजस्ट किया, देन b माइनस ए को x माइनस ए माइनस एक्स माइनस बी कर दिया, फिर उसको सेपरेट किया, सेपरेट करने के बाद यहाँ पे कॉट एक्स माइनस बी, कॉट कॉस लिख दिया गया है, यहाँ पे कॉट है, राइट, कॉट एक्स माइनस ए आएगा, एंड देन कॉट का इंटीग्रेशन आता है लॉग ऑफ साइन, log of sin of x minus b minus log of sin of x minus a, it will be what log of sin of x minus b upon log of sin of x minus a, and that's the answer, right? Easy. What is the next question? They're saying 2x to 12 plus 5x to 9 upon x to 5 plus x cube plus 1 bracket q, इसका इंटीग्रेशन निकालना है. Now how to find out this integration of this, right? Let's see now how to solve. Easy है. So let me just select a pen and we'll go it. Yeah. So they are saying I is equal to 2x raised to 12 plus 5x raised to 9 upon x raised to 5 plus x cube plus 1 raised to 3. So it's very easy. सबसे पहले तो ये x raised to 5 है, तो x raised to 5 मुझे यहाँ से बाहर निकालना है, लेकिन ओनली x raised to 5 बाहर आएगा क्या? नहीं, क्यूब भी है तो x raised to 15 बाहर आएगा. करेक्ट. सो 2x raised to 12 5x raised to 9 अपॉन x raised to 15 अगर बाहर आया, करेक्ट, सो इट विल बी व्हाट 1. सो यहाँ पे आएगा x raised to minus 2, राइट, और यहाँ पे आएगा x raised to minus 5 का क्यूब. ओके, एक्चुअली ये 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर होगा. ओके, नाउ एंड दिस विल बी 1 अपॉन x raised to 5. We are almost like half done on this. 2x raised to 12, this is x raised to 15, so this will be a 2x raised to minus 3 plus 5x raised to minus 6 upon 1 plus x raised to minus 2 plus x raised to minus 5 dx, right? So let's put 1 plus x raised to minus 2 plus x raised to minus 5 is equal to what? T. When you take this as a t and take a derivative, 0 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0, इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा माइनस 2x क्यूब माइनस माइनस 5 माइनस 5 x to minus 6 dx is equal to what? dt. नाउ माइनस साइन दोनों में से कॉमन निकाला, उस तरफ निकाल दिया, सो 2x to minus 3 प्लस 5x to minus 6 is equal to what? माइनस dt. यहाँ पे dx आएगा. सो ये वाला पार्ट हो गया dt अपॉन ये हो गया t, ये यहाँ पे क्यूब है. सो अगर हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे i क्या हो गया, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट? माइनस dt अपॉन t क्यूब. सो माइनस t रेज टू माइनस 3 dt, राइट. सो इसका इंटीग्रेशन जो आएगा वो आएगा t रेज टू माइनस 2 अपॉन माइनस 2 प्लस सी, माइनस माइनस प्लस 2 हो गया. सो 1 अपॉन ट्वाइस ऑफ t स्क्वायर प्लस c. नाउ व्हाट इज t स्क्वायर? 1 अपॉन 2. t क्या है? 1 x to minus 2, 1 x to minus 2 x to minus 5 square, right? Now इसका भी पॉजिटिव, let's maybe convert like this, right? 1 upon x square, 1 upon x to 5 and square, right? When you solve this, what it will be? So this is going to be like, this is x to 5 2, so this will be what? X to 10 up, right? So 2 x to 5 x cube plus 1 square. So this is going to be the answer plus c. हम हर जगह पे प्लस सी लिखना चाहिए जहां पे हम लोगों ने इंटीग्रेशन निकाला है. So let's see how it is, right? So the integration is not hard, you need a more practice on it. See, so सबसे पहले तो x to 15 बाहर निकाला, फिर x to 15 से डिवाइड किया इसको, देन जो डिनोमिनेटर में विल पुट दैट एज अ t, उसका डेरिवेटिव निकालने के बाद न्यूमरेटर वाला माइनस dt हो जाएगा, right? So minus dt upon t cube, the integration of 1 upon t cube is going to be what? 1 half t square, and then 1 half t का वैल्यू रीपुट किया, नेगेटिव जो पावर्स है x के उसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. दैट्स द आंसर. इजी. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 1 अपॉन cos x in under root 1 plus cos of 2x plus cos of sine of 2x. Now how to solve this? This is again a kind of easy example, right? Let's see. So the question is, let me select the pane. Yeah. So this is a question: dx upon cos x, then 1 plus cos of 2x plus sine of 2x. Okay. Now see, अगर आंसर देखा जाए तो आंसर उन्होंने पूरा का पूरा tan में दिया हुआ है. तो सबसे पहले हमको यहाँ से ये पूरा का पूरा cos में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं हम लोग. राइट. नाउ सी 1 प्लस cos 2x, it will be what? 2 cos square x, right? And sin 2x क्या था? 2 sin x cos x. So this is going to be what? dx upon cos x 2 cos square x and then 2 sin x cos x, right? Now यहां से एक cos बाहर निकाला तो यहाँ पे cos square बाहर निकालने हम लोग. Let's say cos square we take it out, right? So when we take a cos square, स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर वो खाली एक cos आएगा और वो एक cos और ये cos क्या हो गया? cos square हो गया. Now यहाँ से cos square चला गया, so this will be 2 plus 2. This will be at sin upon cos, क्योंकि cos square हमने निकाला, यहाँ पे एक ही cos था, sin upon cos आ गया. Now 1 upon cos square will be what? sec square x dx upon ये अंडर रूट 2 जो है वो बाहर ले लेते हैं. सो बचा क्या? 1 प्लस tan x. नाउ हमें पता है अगर 1 प्लस एक्स हम लोगों ने t पुट किया तो sec square x dx क्या आ जाएगा? dt. So when we put 1 plus tan x is equal to t, sec square x dx is going to be what? dt. So this will be 1 by root 2 dt upon under root t, right? Now under root t मतलब क्या? t raised to minus half. So इसका जो इंटीग्रेशन आएगा क्या आएगा? minus half plus 1. So this is going to be what? t raised to half upon this is going to be half. So 2. So 2t raised to half. That is 2 root t, right? So 1 by root 2 into 2 root t. Just उसके भी values put करो. Nothing else. Right? What is the t? So सबसे पहले तो ये 2 और ये 2 कैंसिल करके यहाँ पे root 2 आ जाएगा. So this is going to be what? root 2 और t जो है 1 plus tan x है. इस root 2 को हमको हम अंदर मूव कर देंगे. So this will be 2 tan x. Easy. So that's what the answer is. Now let's see how to put that on a paper, right? Or maybe in actual what it would be, right? The in clear steps. See. So this is how it is. Okay. 1 plus cos of 2x will be 2 cos square x. Cos square x will be common. This will be 2 plus 2 tan x. This will go up. Sec square x dx under root 2 common. 1 plus tan x. Put 1 plus tan x is equal to t. Sec square x dx will be dt. So the integration of dt upon root t will be what? 2 root t plus c. 2 and root 2 cancelled. Here there will be a root 2 only. Root 2 root t. That is root t is what? 1 plus tan x. So when you multiply by 2 inside, it will be what? Under root 2 plus 2 tan x. That's the answer. Easy. Now let's look at what is the next question. So the example is f of x is equal to integration of x square upon 1 plus x square in another bracket 1 plus under root 1 plus x square, then and f of 0 is equal to 0. ये जो कंडीशन दिया होता है, दिस इज द इनिशियल कंडीशन दिया होता है जो इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट c को निकालने के लिए हमको मदद करता है. Then find the value of f of 1. Now let's see how to solve this. This is again a kind of easy example. Okay. Now what you have is this, right? Let me just select a pane and yeah. So they are saying f of x is equal to what? Integration of x square 1 plus x square under root 1 plus, not under root here, right? Yeah, this shouldn't be under root here. This is going to be like this, 1 plus under root 1 plus x square. Okay, and then dx. See, it's again the simple thing. Whenever there is a, now what are the substitutions? If it is 1 plus x square, x is what? Tan theta we need to put. If it is x square minus 1, x is equal to what? Sec theta. If it is 1 minus x square x, x is equal to what? Sin theta. Remember these substitutions. So it is here, put x is equal to what? Tan theta. When you put x is equal to tan theta, this means dx is equal to sec square theta d theta. Now, if x is equal to tan theta, sec square theta will be what? 1 plus x square, right? So that means dx is going to be what? So 1 plus x square, right? D theta. Now, let's maybe have it. Let's put these values here now. This could be like 1 plus x square d theta, right? But so this means dx upon 1 plus x square is equal to what? D theta. This is one. This is another, right? This is one. Let's maybe now have these values, right? See, now x square, it will be what? Tan square. dx upon this is going to be what? D theta upon 1 plus under root 1 plus tan square theta. Now, tan square theta d theta is going to be what? 1 plus tan square will be sec square. Sec square का square root हो गया sec theta. So this is going to be what? 1 plus sec theta. Correct? Now, tan square theta will be what? Sec square theta minus 1. So this is 1 plus sec theta d theta. Sec square theta minus 1 will be what? Sec theta minus 1, sec theta plus 1 upon. This is 1 plus sec theta d theta. Sec theta plus 1, sec theta plus 1 cancelled. So when you separate out this will be sec theta d theta and minus 1 ka integration d theta. Right. Now what is the integration of sec theta? The formula you need to know. Right. That is what? Integration of this is going to be what? Log of sec theta minus tan theta. Not minus, plus tan theta. Okay. And then this integration of this will be minus theta and plus c is the integration constant. This is going to be your f of x. Okay. Now, re-put the values, right? We know x is equal to what? Tan theta. Then sec theta will be what? Under root 1 plus x square. ये values यहाँ पे put करो खाली. Log of under root 1 plus x square and tan is what? X minus x क्या आएगा? Theta will be tan inverse of x plus c. Now, this is f of x. हमें दिया हुआ है f of 0 क्या है? 0. तो अगर जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे f of 0, इसको यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू 0 पुट करते हैं, यहाँ पे 0, log of 1 will be 0 minus tan of 0, right? Tan of 0 is going to be what? It is going to be again 0, right? So 0 minus 0 plus c is equal to 0, that means c is equal to 0. So ये जो है ये आ गया f of x is equal to log of under root 1 plus x square plus x minus tan inverse x. Now हमें निकालना है f of 1. So value of 1 will be x will be 1. So log of 1 plus 1 square is what? That is 2 under root 2 and then 1. So it is going to be what? 1 plus under root 2 minus tan of inverse 1 is going to be what? Pi by 4. And that's the answer. Okay, easy. So सबसे पहले इंटीग्रेशन निकालो, f of 0 is equal to 0 इक्वेट करो, find the value of c, with the value of c and f of x, put the value of x is equal to 1 and then find out the value of f of 1, right? Now let's see how it is. See, x is equal to tan theta, dx is equal to sec square theta, d theta, dx upon this will be d theta. So tan square theta d theta, ये value just put कर दी है. Tan square का value sec square minus 1, sec square minus 1 will become sec minus 1, sec plus 1, sec plus 1, sec plus 1 cancel. And then bacha sec theta minus 1, right? So integration of sec theta and integration of theta. Integration of sec theta आता है log of sec theta plus tan theta and theta d theta का आता है theta, right? अभी फिर से वैल्यूज रिपूट कर दो, थीटा का वैल्यू x के अंदर, when you put it right, sec theta will be under root 1 plus x square, tan theta will be x minus theta will be tan inverse of x. Now हमको दिया हुआ f of 0 is equal to 0, so put f of 0 is equal to 0, so log of 0 log of 1 will be 0, tan inverse 0 is 0, so everything will be 0, so c will be 0. तो ये वाला जो है f of x हो गया, just c का वैल्यू 0 पुट कर दिया. नाउ हमको f of 1 निकालना है, so put x is equal to 1. When you put x is equal to 1, right, x 1 1 square 1 tan inverse of 1, which is pi by 4. So the answer is going to be 1 plus under root 2 minus pi by 4, and then this is the answer, right? Now what is the next question? Yeah. Let I is equal to integration of e raised to x upon e raised to 4x plus e raised to 2x plus 1 dx, and j is equal to integration of e raised to minus x upon e raised to minus 4x plus e raised to minus 2x plus 1 dx. Then for an arbitrary constant c, the value of j minus I equals what, right? Now let's see how to solve this. Yeah. Now the example is what they have given, right? Let me select a pen. Yes. I is equal to e raised to x, e raised to 4x, e raised to 2x plus 1, and then dx. This is I. And what is j is integration of e raised to minus x, e raised to minus 4x plus e raised to minus 2x plus 1 dx. अभी देखिए यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव पावर से यहाँ पे नेगेटिव पावर से सभी को हम पॉजिटिव पावर्स पहले कर देते हैं, राइट? व्हेन यू वांट टू make it as a positive powers, right, what he will basically do, right, he will multiply and divide with e raised to 4x, e raised to 4x, right, e raised to minus x, यहाँ पे भी क्या करेंगे, e raised to 4x, right, e raised to minus 2x plus 1 dx, right? See, now this is going to be what, e raised to 4x, e raised to minus x will be what, e raised to 3x upon e raised to 4x, e raised to 4x will be 1, this will be e raised to 2x, and this will be e raised to 4x dx. Now this is your j. Now what they want us to do, j minus I. Now j minus I मतलब this minus this, दोनों का डिनोमीटर सेम है, दोनों का डिनोमीटर क्या है, सेम. सो डिनोमीटर एक ही बार आएगा, करेक्ट, और दिस न्यूमरेटर माइनस न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा, e raised to 3x minus e raised to x dx. Easy. So this is how it is going to be. See, now let's put e raised to x is equal to what, u. If you put e raised to x is equal to u, right, e raised to x dx will be what, du, correct? This is how it is going to be. Now if it is e raised to x dx is equal to du, what does that mean, right? Dx is what, du upon e raised to x, that means du upon u. Now let's see how to. Yeah, so this becomes j minus I is equal to, this will be what, e raised to 3x, right? So you can basically take out common e raised to x here. So if you take e raised to x common, e raised to 2x minus 1 dx upon e raised to 4x plus e raised to 2x plus 1. अभी यहाँ पे हम u का वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं. So e raised to x into dx will be what, du. So ये तो आ गया du, correct? Now e raised to 2x will be what, u square, and this minus 1, this will be u raised to 4 plus u square plus 1. Now, this is what you have got in terms of u. Now, what to do? Take out the u square common, right? Take out the u square common or divide numerator and denominator by u square. When you divide numerator and denominator by u square, this will be about 1 upon u square, and this is going to be u square plus 1 upon u square du. What next exactly, right? See, this you can write it as like this 1 upon u square du, and then this can be u plus 1 upon u square minus 1. Okay, now see, if you look at u plus 1 upon u square, it will be what? U square plus 1 upon u square plus 2. But we want plus 1 only, so that's why we need to minus 1. Right? That's why minus 1. Now, when you put u plus 1 plus u is equal to what? Let's say t. This means 1 minus 1 upon u square du will be what? Dt. So, this reduces to what? Dt upon t square minus 1. Now, the formula of this is going to be what? It is simple 1 half log of t minus 1 and t plus 1. Right? This is integration formula. Now re-put the values back. Right? t का value u में और u का value again x में put करना है. So this is going to be what? 1 half log of t क्या है? u plus 1 upon u minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon u plus 1 plus c. Right? So this is going to be 1 half log of, this is how, u square minus u plus 1 upon u square plus u plus 1 plus c. Now what is u? U is what? E raised to x. So that is going to be 1 half log of e raised to 2x minus e raised to x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to x plus 1 plus c. So this is going to be your answer. Easy. So you just need to basically solve it step by step and you can easily get it. Okay. The only thing is that you need more practice. You need to be thorough with your formulas, right? So I, J कैसे आया मैंने बताया, e raised to 4x से क्या किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया दोनों को, right? Multiply and divide किया. Then J minus I we need, so this minus this. Then put e raised to x is equal to u. When you put e raised to x is equal to u, you basically get this. Then 1 minus 1 upon u square, 1 plus 1 upon u square plus u square, right? Then this can be converted as what? 1 u plus 1 upon u bracket square minus 1. Then put that as a t and this into dx will be what? Dt. So this is going to be dt upon t square minus 1. The formula for this is what? 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a, right? Here value of a is 1. So that's why 1 half log of t minus 1 upon t plus 1 plus c. t का value वापस put कर दो u plus 1 upon u, right? That is u square minus u plus 1 and upon u square plus u plus 1, right? Now, re-put the value of u again, e raised to x. So e raised to 2x minus e raised to x plus 1, e raised to 2x plus e raised to x plus 1. And this is the answer. Easy. Now, what is the next question? The next question they have is like e raised to sin x in a bracket x cos x minus sec x tan x dx, right? Then what is the integration? Now, how to solve this? See, this is again a kind of maybe easy. You need to think it's a reverse way. अभी हमें क्या करना है कि we'll we'll start thinking maybe in terms of derivatives, right? कि ये किसका डेरिवेटिव आ सकता है? Okay, so because if we go by a regular way, it might be a linear. See now what they have is e raised to sin x, correct? X cos x minus sec x tan x dx, right? Now let's say e raised to sin x, correct? Now x cos x minus sec x into cos x plus 1 minus sec x into tan x. Now why I did this? This is sec x into cos x क्या आता है 1. So मैंने -1 + 1 क्या किया यहाँ पे एडजस्ट किया है, right? So that -1 + 1 will be 0. So this is the adjustment I did. Now e raised to sin x. Okay, this is going to be what? A derivative of x sec x. ये जो है this will be what? इन दोनों में से cos x क्या निकाला कॉमन. This is going to be x sec x. लेकिन ये जो दिख रहा है आपको 1 minus sec x tan x जो है, right? This is a derivative of what? X minus sec x. कैसे देखिए, x का डेरिवेटिव 1 और sec x का डेरिवेटिव आता है sec x tan x. So we can basically put it like plus derivative of x minus sec x, correct? And then dx. Now let's now see. Yeah, this is a different kind of example, but yes, not the hard one. Okay, now look at the derivative of e raised to sin x. क्या आता है e raised to sin x का डेरिवेटिव? e raised to sin x का डेरिवेटिव आता है e raised to sin x into cos x. है क्या यहाँ पे e raised to sin x से cos x है, करेक्ट? सो ये अगर देखा जाए तो कैसे आएगा, x minus sec x डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to sin x, करेक्ट? प्लस ये e raised to sin x को अंदर भेज देते हैं, e raised to sin x एंड देन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x sec x, करेक्ट? इसका मतलब ये आ गया डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to sin x माइनस sec x. और डेरिवेटिव इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है, कैंसिल. सो आंसर क्या है, e raised to sin x minus sec x plus c. Easy, and that's how actually you need to solve it. Yeah. So let's go back to the slides. I'll open the new document so that we can use in the next example. I'll discard this one, and here it is. See. So I just tried to adjust the derivative of this, right? Then that derivative actually in the form of this e raised to x derivative integration cancel. That's the answer, right? Easy. Now next, what they are saying, the integration of cos of log x is what? This is not again the hard example, but yes, you might think it as a lengthy example. Let's see now how to use it, right? So this should be done by integration of by parts, that is u into v rule, right? You might be knowing what is the integration of u into v dx, right? It is what? U integration of v dx minus derivative of u and then integration of v and the dx for the big integration. And this uses LIATE rule, where L is logarithmic, I is inverse, A is algebraic, T is trigonometric, and then E is what? Exponential. Right? Now let's see now here. So I is equal to what they have given it, like cos of log of x dx. Now cos of log of x dx is going to be a trigonometric function. Right? Okay. So this is going to be it. Right? Let's maybe take it like cos of log of x into 1 dx, right? Okay. So consider this as a u and this is v. Cos of log of x integration of 1 dx minus derivative of cos of log of x integration of 1 and dx, right? Now this cos of log of x integration of 1 is what? X minus integration of 1 is what? X. The derivative of cos is going to be what? Minus sign. Minus minus plus sin of log of x, and then again log of x का derivative आता है 1 upon x, so dx, right? X cancel. So x cos of log of x प्लस, सो यहाँ पे हमने इंटीग्रेशन निकाला तो हम यहाँ पे c ऐड कर सकते हैं, सो ये आ गया साइन ऑफ log of x dx। अगेन साइन ऑफ log of x dx को हम लोग सेम वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, ओके, u इंटू v का, एंड दिस इज अवर i, this is our I. So x cos of log of x plus integration of 1 dx. But before that, we need to write it like this is going to be u now. And then there will be 1, which will be v. So sine of log of x, integration of 1 is going to be what? X minus integration of derivative of sine log x will be what? Cos of log of x upon x, and then integration of x, 1 is going to be x dx. X cancel, and this will be minus cos log of x, right? So, and plus c is there. X cos of log of x plus sine of log of x, and then there is x as well, minus c cos of log of x. This is going to be I, जो अपना original दिया हुआ है, right? Now this I will go on this side, that will become 2i. Now when this 2i comes, right, this 2 can come on this side, right? So I is equal to what? ये दोनों में से x common, so x by 2 cos of log of x plus sine of log of x, right? And plus c1. That is c1 will be what? C by 2. And that's the answer. Easy. Now let's see. Go back to the slides now. Yeah. So this is one u into v rule. Apply it. Cos will, as it is 1 का integration x, sin cos का डेरिवेटिव आता है माइनस साइन, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, log x का डेरिवेटिव अगेन 1 upon x, एंड दिस 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x, x कैंसिल, दिस विल बी साइन ऑफ log of x। साइन ऑफ log of x को फिर से सेम वाला यहाँ पे जो रूल यूज किया वो यूज करो, u इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 माइनस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस साइन, that is will be cos log of x upon 1 upon x into integration of this 1x, x cancel, and then this become like this, right? And then this is I, this will go on this side, that will become 2i, right? So this 2 will come on this side and divide by here, right? So x by 2, and that's the answer. X by 2 sine of log x plus cos of log x plus c. Now what is the next question? So the next question what they have is x square e raised to 3x dx is equal to e raised to 3x upon 27 f of x plus c. Then what is f of x? Okay. Okay. So the example is going to be like this, right? What they have given is this. I is equal to x square e raised to 3x dx. Again, u into v rule, right? This is going to be your u, and this is going to be v. So x square as it is, the integration of e raised to 3x minus derivative of x square, and then integration of e raised to 3x dx, and then dx for this big integration. X square integration of 3x is what? In e raised to 3x upon 3 minus the derivative will be what? 2x, and this will be e raised to 3x upon 3 and dx. So x square e raised to 3x upon 3 minus 2 by 3 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, and this will be x e raised to 3x dx, right? Now similarly this will be as it is, right? Now let's concentrate on this. So again, this x e raised to 3x dx minus the derivative of x is going to be 1, integration of e raised to 3x will be what? E raised to 3x upon 3 and dx, right? Now when you solve this, right, this will be x square e raised to 3x upon 3 minus 2 by 3 x e raised to 3x upon 3 minus 1 by 3 e raised to 3x का इंटीग्रेशन आता है e raised to 3x upon 3 and then plus c. Let me scroll this up and we will see, right? So if we solve it, it is going to give us what? X square e raised to 3x upon 3 minus 2 by 9 x e raised to 3x minus, right, this is going to be again a 3 into 3 into 3. This is going to be 27 e raised to 3x plus c. So you can take out e raised to 3x upon 27 as a common. When you take upon 27 as a common, right, this is going to be what? 9x square minus 6x minus 1 plus c. Now what they have given, the answer is what? E raised to 3x upon 27 f of x plus c. So f of x is what? This. So f of x is equal to 9x square minus 6x minus 1. Easy. Now let's go back to the slide. Okay. When we go back to the slide, let me just maybe discard this first and we'll see, right? It's the same thing what I've actually solved it. U into V rule, nothing different, right? U integration of e raised to 3x will be e raised to 3x upon 3 minus 2 by 3, right? And then x e raised to 3x, the whole thing. When you simplify this, again apply the u into v rule to this, you get this kind of thing, right? And then when you multiply, right, you basically get it like x square e raised to 3x upon 3 minus 2 by 3 x e raised to 3x upon 3 minus e raised to 3x upon 9 plus c. ये पूरा का पूरा मैंने अभी समझा, सॉल्व करते वक्त आपको समझाया था. तो यहाँ से 27 भी कॉमन निकल सकता है. सो इट विल बी व्हाट? 9x square minus 6x plus 2 plus c. Okay, that's the answer. So f of x क्या आएगा? 9x square minus 6x plus 2. Right? Now what is the next question? Next question is 5x square plus 3 upon x square into x square minus 2 dx. How to solve this? Now this is the example of partial fractions. This is the example of partial fractions. Let's see now how to solve it, right? What they have given? They have given us, the example is I is equal to 5x square plus 3, 5x square plus 3 upon x square minus 2 dx. This is a partial fractions, right? So हमें 5x square plus 3 को इस तरीके से डिवाइड करना है, right? ताकि ये दोनों के दोनों उसके अंदर आ जाए. Now let's see 5x square plus 3 is equal to a x square plus b x square minus 2. So this will be what? x square अगर हम लोगों ने कॉमन निकाला तो a plus b x square minus it will be what? 2b. So 5x square plus 3. जब हम इसको इक्वेट करेंगे, so a plus b will be equal to 5 and minus 2b will be equal to 3. So b is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2 आ गया. ये हो गया b. And then अगर minus 3 by 2 b है तो a क्या आएगा? a will be 5 plus 3 by 2 which is what? 13 by 2. राइट. सो इस इंटीग्रेशन को हम किस तरह से लिख सकते हैं? 13 by 2 x square minus 13 by 2 x square minus 3 by 2 x square minus 2 upon x square minus 2 dx. इस तरीके से, राइट? सो इसको जस्ट अभी सेपरेट कर दो, नथिंग एल्स. सो व्हेन यू सेपरेट आउट तो यहां पे आ जाएगा 13 by 2 तो बाहर, x square कैंसिल, सो dx अपॉन x square minus 2 minus 3 by 2 यहाँ पे x square minus 2 कैंसिल, तो dx अपॉन x square. सिंपल. अभी ये सिंपलर हो गया. नाउ इसका जो आंसर आएगा 13 by 2, राइट, 1 अपॉन c. नाउ दिस x square, इस 2 को लिखना है रूट 2 का स्क्वायर. ओके. नाउ 3 by 2. ओके. नाउ and the integration of this is going to be 1 upon x square, right? So x is 2 minus 2 dx, so x is 2 minus 1 upon minus 1, so 1 minus 1 upon x, so this will be what? Minus 1 upon x plus c. Okay. Now the integration of dx upon x square minus a square is what? 1 upon 2a log of x minus a x plus a plus c, right? So this will be what? 13 by 2 into 1 upon 2 root 2 log of x minus root 2 x plus root 2, right? and then minus minus plus 3 by 2x plus c. Okay, that's done. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 13 by 4 root 2 log of x minus root 2 upon x plus root 2 plus 3 by 2x plus c. That's the answer. Easy. That was pretty easy, right? So that's how you need to solve it. Let's go to the next example, or maybe we'll first see how we can put that on the slide, right? See, so सबसे पहले 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 इसको हम लोगों ने डिवाइड किया a x स्क्वायर प्लस b x स्क्वायर माइनस 2 को. इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद a का वैल्यू 13/2, b का वैल्यू माइनस 3/2 आएगा. देन जब हम इसको सेपरेट करेंगे 13/2 x स्क्वायर कैंसिल, वो dx अपॉन x स्क्वायर बाई 2 माइनस 3/2 राइट अपॉन x स्क्वायर आएगा. 2 को अंडर रूट 2 का स्क्वायर लिया. नाउ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट एक्स 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर आता है 1 अपॉन 2a लॉग ऑफ x माइनस ए अपॉन x प्लस ए प्लस सी. तो यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू है रूट 2, सो दैट्स वाई 1 अपॉन 2 रूट 2 आएगा. 1 अपॉन 2 रूट 2 लॉग ऑफ x माइनस रूट 2 अपॉन x प्लस रूट 2 माइनस 3/2. इसका इंटीग्रेशन आता है माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स, सो माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स, एंड दैट्स डन. ये हो गया प्लस 3/2x, एंड दैट विल बी 13/4 रूट 2. इजी. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? So the next question what they have is dx upon sine x plus sine of 2x. See, this is again a kind of easy example. इसको हमको partial fraction से solve करना है. Now partial fraction से solve करना है तो कैसे solve करना है? Let's see. So the example is like this. I is equal to dx upon sine x plus sine of 2x. Correct. तो इसे हम dx sin x sin 2x को लिख देंगे 2 sin x cos x. करेक्ट. नाउ सो sin x कॉमन आएगा यहाँ पे, dx अपॉन sin x इज कॉमन, सो 1 प्लस 2 cos x रहेगा. राइट. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय sin x. When you multiply and divide by sin x, this will be what? Sin x dx upon sin square x 1 plus 2 cos x. Now हम लोगों ने sin x से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड क्यों किया? बिकॉज हम लोगों को यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में पूरा का पूरा cos चाहिए था. सो ये क्या आ जाएगा? 1 माइनस cos square x. नाउ अगर हम लोगों ने cos x इज इक्वल टू t पुट कर दिया तो sin x dx क्या हो जाएगा? dt. सो हमारे पास अभी है sin x dx अपॉन 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर क्या आता है? 1 माइनस cos x 1 प्लस cos x एंड 1 प्लस 2 cos x. राइट. इस तरीके से अभी इसे हमको सॉल्व करना है. सो लेट्स मे बी ट्राई टू पुट इट लाइक cos x is equal to t. Let's put it what? Cos x is equal to t. So sin x dx will be what? dt. So I क्या आ गया? dt upon 1 minus t 1 plus t and 1 plus 2t. करेक्ट. अभी इसे सॉल्व करने के लिए हम पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस करते हैं. राइट. सो लेट 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस टी 1 प्लस टी 1 प्लस 2t is equal to a upon 1 minus t plus b upon 1 plus t plus c upon 1 plus 2t. Right. So this means 1 is equal to, right, a into 1 plus t 1 plus 2t, b 1 minus t 1 plus 2t plus c 1 minus t 1 plus t. राइट. अभी हमको a b और c के वैल्यूज निकालने हैं. नाउ a b और c के वैल्यूज हम कब निकालेंगे? कैसे आएगा? राइट. सो लेट्स टेक व्हेन t इज इक्वल टू 1. अगर t इज इक्वल टू 1 लिया तो क्या आएगा? t इज इक्वल टू 1 मतलब ये आ गया 1 प्लस 1 2 2 प्लस 1 3. करेक्ट. एंड देन 1 माइनस टी ये दोनों जीरो हो जाएंगे. सो a is equal to what? 1 upon 6. करेक्ट. सिमिलरली t is equal to माइनस 1 ले लो. जब t is equal to माइनस 1 लेंगे तो ये जीरो हो जाएगा, a भी जीरो हो जाएगा, लेकिन हमारे पास b रहेगा. तो t is equal to माइनस 1 ले लो, माइनस माइनस प्लस 1. राइट. सो b into 2 यहाँ पे -1 लेने के बाद -2, so this will be 1, so b is equal to what, half. Similarly t is equal to ले लो -1/2. When you take t is equal to -1/2, ये और a वाला 0 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे रह जाएगा. So c -1/2 will be what, 3/2, and this will be 1/2. So c is going to be what, 4/3, right? Now these are the values. So how you should basically have, right? So हमारे पास values क्या आ गए, a का value आ गया, this is a, मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली पुट कर देता हूँ वैल्यू, राइट? सो ए का वैल्यू आ गया 1/6, सो ए आ गया 1/6, ये आ गया 1/2, और ये आ गया 4/3, करेक्ट? ये मैं नीचे का रफ कर देता हूँ ताकि हमको आगे का सॉल्व कर पाएंगे हम यहाँ पे, राइट? लेट मी जस्ट इरेज दिस. ओके, now what we want to basically take, right? We want to take the derivative on both sides. We want to take the derivatives on, sorry, not derivatives, we want to take the integration on both sides, right? So integration of both sides is going to be like this: integration of this and integration of this, integration of this, integration of this, dt, 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 and this will be again dt, right? So 1/6 इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा log of 1 minus t, और इसका फिर से डेरिवेटिव से डिवाइड करेंगे, दैट इज -1, करेक्ट, प्लस 1/2 log of t plus 1 plus 4/3 log of 1 plus 2t upon t plus c, right? Now this is going to be -1/2 log of 1 minus t, right? 1/2 log of t plus 1 plus 2 2s are 4, so 2/3 log of 1 plus 2t plus c, right? So replace the value of t now. t का वैल्यू था cos x, so आंसर क्या आएगा? आंसर is going to be what, -1/6 log of 1 minus cos x plus 1/2 log of cos x plus 1 plus 2/3 log of 1 plus 2 cos x, right? Easy. So that's how it is. Now let's go back to the slide and see how it is, right? See, the examples are easy. You need to basically have some practice and solve it like step by step, right? The formulas are very much important. Sin x, sin 2x को 2 sin x cos x कर दिया, sin x कॉमन निकाला, sin x से डिवाइड किया और मल्टीप्लाई किया, sin स्क्वायर को 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर कर दिया, 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर को 1 माइनस cos x 1 प्लस cos x कर दिया, cos x का वैल्यू t पुट करके sin x dx dt हो जाएगा. सो हमारे पास आ गया माइनस dt. ओके, यहाँ पे माइनस आता है, सॉरी, सो माइनस dt आ गया 1 माइनस टी 1 प्लस टी 1 प्लस 2t. ये मैंने एग्जांपल सॉल्व करते वक्त माइनस नहीं लिया था. ओके, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट, minus dt. Let assume 1 upon this will be what, this kind of thing. So a is equal to, when you solve this, a will be 1/6, b will be -1/2, c will be 4/. So when you put these values, right, you basically get this within minus n अंदर लेने के बाद -1/6, right, minus, and this minus will be +1/2, this plus and minus will be -4/3. When you solve this, right, 1 upon will be log, right, 1 upon will be log, so -1/6 log of 1 minus t plus 1/2 log of 1 plus t minus 2/3 log of 1 plus 2t. लेकिन ये वाला +1/6 होना चाहिए because it's already a minus there, and इसका minus sign से -1 से फिर से डिवाइड होगा, so -1/6 will be 1/6 log of 1 minus cos x plus 1/2 log of 1 plus cos x minus 2/3 log of 1 plus 2 cos x. Okay. Now, what is the next example? Next example, they are saying 1 plus cos x upon cos x minus cos of x square is equal to log of sec x plus tan x, right, minus twice of derivative of f dash of x plus c. Then what is f of x? See, this is the easy example. How to solve this? Let's see. Okay. Now, when you solve this example, let me select a pen. Yeah. So they have given I is equal to 1 plus cos x upon cos x minus cos square x dx, right? Now the answer they have given is log of sec x plus tan x minus 2 f dash of x plus c, right? Now let's solve this first. So when you solve this, this will be 1 plus cos x as it is, right? इन दोनों में से cos x कॉमन निकालो, this will be 1 minus cos x रह जाएगा यहाँ पे, correct? Now so you need to basically now adjust here cos x and 1 minus cos x. So cos x, correct? So this will be what? 2 cos x plus 1 minus cos x. 2 cos x minus cos x will be cos x, right? So cos x 1 minus cos x, right? dx. So let me just rub this to avoid the confusion. Yes. So now this will be what? 2 cos x upon this will be what? dx upon 1 minus cos x. Plus 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x cancels. So dx upon cos x, right? So what would this be? This is going to be what? 1 upon dx upon 1 minus cos x, right? It will be a like cosec square x by 2 dx plus integration of 1 upon cos x is what? 1 upon cos x will be what? Sec x dx. Now you might have a question how it is this, right? See 1 minus cos x, 1 upon 1 minus cos x. Okay, now 1 upon 1 minus cos x, 1 will be what? Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus cos x will be what? Minus cos square x by 2 and plus sin square x by 2, right? Cos square comes cut 1 upon 2 sin square x by 2, right? So this will be what? Basically 1 half of cosec square x by 2, right? So this should be half. So 2 gets cancelled. So ये हो गया cosec square x by 2 dx and then this is what? Sec x dx. इसका जो इंटीग्रेशन आता है वो आता है log. So log of sec x minus tan x is going to be the integration of this. And the integration of cosec square x by 2 is going to be what? Minus 2 cot of x by 2 plus c. अभी हमें आंसर दिया गया है this sec x minus tan x, right? Plus, not plus, this they have given it like this. It is minus 2 f dash of x plus c. इस तरीके से दिया हुआ है. अब जब हम कंपेयर करेंगे तो f dash x क्या आएगा? This. So f dash x is what? Cot of x by 2. So अभी हमको इसका f of x निकालना है. f of x क्या आएगा? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cot of x by 2 dx, right? now cot का इंटीग्रेशन आता है log of sin of x by 2 plus c. लेकिन x by 2 का डेरिवेटिव आएगा 1 half. So 1 half से डिवाइड करेंगे. So this will be 2, right? So this is the answer. Log of x by 2 plus c is going to be the answer of that, right? Now let's see how it is. Okay. Okay. So adjustment किया cos x and 1 minus cos x का separation 1 upon cos x, 2 upon 1 minus cos x, 1 upon cos x sec x, 1 upon 1 minus cos x will be what? Cos x square x by 2 upon 2, 2 cancel हो गया, cos x square x by 2. इसका इंटीग्रेशन आता है log of sec x plus tan x. इसका इंटीग्रेशन आता है minus 2 cot of x by 2 plus c. लेकिन this is what it is, right? See, अभी हम अगर इसको कंपेयर करते हैं इसके साथ तो minus 2 f dash x will be minus 2 cot of x by 2. So f dash x क्या आया? Cot of x by 2. So f of x क्या आएगा? Cot of x by 2 का इंटीग्रेशन. इंटीग्रेशन क्या आता है? Log of sin of x by 2 और x by 2 का डेरिवेटिव से फिर से डिवाइड होगा. That is 1 half से डिवाइड. So 2 here. Okay. So that's the answer. Now next. अंडर रूट कॉस ऑफ 2x अपॉन साइन एक्स dx. इसे कैसे सॉल्व करना है? सी. सो सबसे पहले अंडर रूट कॉस ऑफ 2x से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर लो. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड ये स्क्वायर रूट चला जाएगा. cos 2x sin 2x, यहाँ पे 2x sin x है, राइट? sin x cos 2x, राइट? Now cos of 2x upon, this is the same thing. Now cos of 2x is what? 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now 1 upon, ये separate कर लो, 1 upon sin under root cos 2x, 2 sin square x upon sin x under root cos 2x, right? Now cos of 2x will be what? Cos square x minus sin square x. ये ऐसे कैसे रखा हुआ है? Now यहाँ से sin square x से अगर डिवाइड किया तो दिस विल बी cot square x minus 1, करेक्ट, और sin x बाहर निकलेगा, sin into sin will be sin square, right? Now that sin 1 upon sin square will become cos x square x dx upon cot square x minus 1. यहाँ पे दोनों में से sin हम लोगों ने एक sin कैंसिल कर दिया. So this is what 2 cos x square minus 1. See here, 2 cos square x minus 1, cos of 2x का वैल्यू, राइट? नाउ लेट्स से I1 एंड I2. हम I1 को सेपरेटली सॉल्व करेंगे, I2 को सेपरेटली सॉल्व करते हैं. सो I1 है cos x square x cot square x minus 1 dx, right? So let cot square x is equal to m. So cot square x is equal to अगर m हुआ तो cos x square x, not cot square, sorry, this should be cot x. ये क्या होना चाहिए? cot x होना चाहिए. cot x is equal to m. यहाँ पे cot square हो गया तो इसको करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा. cot x is equal to m. So cos x square x dx will be what? Minus dm. So ये क्या आएगा? माइनस dm अपॉन अंडर रूट एम स्क्वायर माइनस 1. सो अंडर रूट 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट एम स्क्वायर माइनस 1 का इंटीग्रेशन क्या आएगा? log ऑफ m प्लस अंडर रूट m माइनस 1, राइट? दैट माइनस साइन ये ऐसे कैसे, ये हो गया I1. दिस इज द m का वैल्यू फिर से रिपीट करो, cot ऑफ x. सो माइनस log ऑफ cot x प्लस cot स्क्वायर x माइनस 1 अंडर रूट में, राइट? दिस इज I1. अभी I2 को सॉल्व करते हैं. I2 क्या है? sin x अपॉन अंडर रूट 2 cos स्क्वायर x माइनस 1, राइट? दिस इज I2. अभी I2 के लिए पुट cos x is equal to t. So sin x dx will be what? Minus dt. So minus dt upon 2t square minus 1, right? यहाँ से अंडर रूट 2 बाहर निकालो, 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 2 माइनस हाफ टी स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बाय अंडर रूट 2 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर, राइट? नाउ इसका एक फॉर्मूला है. सो माइनस, ये माइनस से यहाँ पे माइनस 1 बाय रूट 2 log ऑफ t प्लस टी स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बाय रूट 2 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर, राइट? So 1 by root minus 1 by root 2 log of t plus 2t square minus 1 upon 2. t का वैल्यू फिर से रिपीट कर दो, cos x 2 cos square x minus 1, ये हो गया I2. Now 2 cos square x minus 1 will be cos of 2x, correct? Now this is I2. The third हो गया, that is 2. So from 1, 2 and 3, right? This integration will be what? I1 plus I2. यहाँ पे Cn and C1 and C2 है. C1 और C2 का एक इकट्ठा C कर लीजिए, right? This is C. So that's the answer. बाकी so that's all actually I had it from this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको नए नए वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे, और बाकी विद्यार्थियों के साथ भी इसको शेयर कीजिए ताकि ज्यादा से ज्यादा विद्यार्थियों को इसका लाभ हो. So please do like, subscribe and share. I wish you happy learning with the GravityTech.